Hey everyone, this is Jay, and this video will be focusing on the Kindle as an e-reader, as well as showing you the really cool lending library. Now before you sell your old Kindle, you have to really understand that this tablet is not an e-reader's Kindle, meaning this is more of an entertainment Kindle. It has color, yes, but this doesn't have the graphite screen that other Kindles do, and it doesn't have the insanely long 2-week to a month battery life for reading. And as you can see, if it doesn't have the graphite screen, it will have glare. See? But don't let that discourage you. Some people use the iPad and the iPhone 4 or even the old iPhones for e-reading, and this works just as well as those. And this is my collection of my books on Amazon. As you can see, it's not very impressive. It's just a bunch of free books that I picked up because, well, I still believe in paperback. But if you prefer having a digital collection so that you don't have to have the physical book with you, and you can, pretty much pick up where you left off with digital bookmarks and, switching from books to books, then, this device is really good for that. So just how good is the quality of e-reading on the Kindle Fire? Let's check out a book. So this is actually a textbook that I purchased for a class back in college, and as you can see, it looks really clear. You can't do the pinch out or zoom in capabilities of other tablets, but you do have this option to increase font, of course, change the color mode, as well as going sepia, change the margins and line spacing. It's all there. Bookmarks, you can even search. So this works as well as any other tablet for e-reading, except for the actual Kindle e-readers. And of course, Amazon wouldn't call this a Kindle if it wasn't good for e-reading, but just know that it lacks those two important things that the original or the actual Kindle e-readers have, which is anti-glare graphite screen and insanely long battery life. So this is the Kindle Fire outside. As you can see, there's a lot of glare, but something I didn't show you earlier is I actually have the brightness set all the way down for the video. As you can see, increasing the brightness allows you to read easier, but then again, that will use up the battery quickly. So here's the bookstore. As you can see up here, there's a lot of books that they create just for the user. They recommend those books specifically for the Kindle user. And here are a lot other books divided by category. There's a lot of free ones as well. And let's check out the Kindle lending library. So Amazon recently came out with something called the lending library, which allows you to actually borrow books from the Amazon Kindle store. And this is really cool because it allows you to read books that would usually cost $5 to $10, like the Hunger Games here. See, you can buy it or borrow it. So let's go back, and on the side here, that's where you can find the lending library. It's divided up by category. There's fiction, non-fiction, a whole bunch of other categories. And here's the Hunger Games. And we were just on the screen earlier, but as you can see, I can borrow it for free. And the way it works is you can borrow a book, one book at a time, one book per month, and you can only borrow it if you have Amazon Prime as well as a Kindle. You can only borrow it through the device. You can't borrow it through their website and view it on your PC Kindle application. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Please subscribe, like these videos, and please visit us on gamertechie.com. Thanks for watching.